Why antibiotics and antacids are important after dental procedure. This is Dr. Lakshmi from Eledent Dental Hospital, Banjara Hills branch. So today let's talk about why your dentist prescribed antibiotics and antacids after dental procedure. So many patients are wondered these medicines are really necessary. So let's clear about these doubts. So first of all, importance of antibiotics. After procedures like root canal, tooth extraction, implant placement or gum surgery, flap surgery, there is a small chance of infection. So these antibiotics can prevent the infection by stopping harmful bacteria and reduce the pain and swelling, and it is support the faster healing, especially when wound is deep. Remember, complete this full course whatever prescribed by the dentist, because when you're stopping early it prevent the harmful bacteria. Second one, role of antacids. Some antibiotics and painkillers may cause us to acidity, stomach burn or gastritis. To prevent your stomach, your dentist may be suggest the antacids to prevent the acid levels or gastritis or stomach pain. Make your recovery comfortable and safe. Remember, these medicines are not just tablets, they are the part of the healing plan. Follow your dentist advice and stay free infection. Thank you.